Good morning everyone. I hope that you are all keeping well. Today we begin a new module, ICDL Remote Work. Today, I would like to discuss the concept of remote work and its various aspects. In this presentation, we will explore key concepts, different ways of working remotely, models for both workers and organizations, as well as the benefits and challenges associated with remote work. Remote work, also known as telecommuting or teleworking, refers to a working arrangement where individuals perform their job duties in a location away from a centralized office. For example, instead of commuting to a traditional office, employees can work from the comfort of their own homes, co-working spaces, or even while traveling. Remote work has become increasingly popular with advancements in technology, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration across distances. There are different ways individuals can work remotely. One option is partially remote work, where employees spend some time working from a remote location, such as their home, and some time working from a centralized office. This arrangement provides a balance between the flexibility of remote work and the benefits of in-person collaboration at the office. Another option is fully remote work, where employees work exclusively from a remote location, such as their home office. This allows for maximum flexibility and freedom in managing one's work schedule and environment. Remote work offers various models for workers. Mobile work is well suited for professionals in sales, logistics, or field services. These individuals can perform their work while on the move, using mobile devices and online tools to stay connected and productive. Home-based work allows employees to set up their workstations in their own homes. They can create a dedicated workspace, eliminating the need for commuting and benefiting from the comfort and convenience of their familiar surroundings. Another model is hub work, where remote workers operate from shared hubs or serviced offices. These spaces provide a professional work environment, amenities, and networking opportunities. Organizations can adopt different models of remote work. In a distributed model, the entire organization operates with remote workers, and there is no centralized physical office. This approach allows companies to tap into talent from different locations, promote work-life balance, and reduce the need for office infrastructure. A hybrid model combines both office-based and remote work. In this arrangement, some employees work from the office while others work remotely, providing a flexible work environment that accommodates individual preferences and job requirements. Remote work offers several benefits to economies and societies. Firstly, it can significantly reduce traffic congestion and associated pollution. By decreasing the number of commuters on the roads and public transport systems, remote work contributes to a cleaner environment and reduces energy consumption. Additionally, remote work reduces the pressure to centralize economic activities in specific geographic areas. This can alleviate housing challenges in urban centers, make housing more affordable, and decrease the strain on public transportation and infrastructure. Furthermore, remote work opens up opportunities for individuals who face challenges in commuting or need flexible working arrangements, such as people with disabilities, stay-at-home carers, and older individuals. However, the transition to remote work also poses challenges. The absence of appropriate policies and regulations tailored to remote work can hinder its adoption. Governments need to create and implement policies that support and promote remote work. Furthermore, the absence of necessary infrastructure, such as reliable broadband access, can impact the effectiveness and success of remote work. Governments must ensure widespread access to high-speed internet to enable remote work for all citizens. Remote work offers numerous benefits for organizations. Firstly, it has the potential to improve productivity. Remote workers often experience reduced commuting time, leading to a better work-life balance and increased job satisfaction. They also have greater opportunities for sufficient rest before work, resulting in higher productivity levels. Additionally, remote work can lead to reduced absenteeism as employees face fewer challenges related to commuting, such as transportation delays or stress. Moreover, organizations can save costs associated with maintaining a centralized office, including rent, maintenance, and energy consumption. Remote work also provides access to a wider pool of talent, as geographical location becomes less restrictive in recruitment. This enables organizations to hire individuals with diverse skill sets and perspectives, including those who may have been previously excluded from the workforce due to commuting challenges or personal circumstances. However, remote work also presents challenges for organizations. Implementing remote work may require investments in tools, devices, networks, and skills to support effective collaboration and communication. Organizations must provide employees with the necessary resources and training to adapt to remote work environments. Protecting devices and data poses another challenge, as the use of different devices and locations can increase the risk of data breaches. Organizations must implement robust security measures and policies to ensure data protection and compliance. Managing remote teams requires a shift in leadership and supervision approaches, as direct supervision becomes more challenging. Onboarding new employees remotely may also pose challenges in terms of establishing support systems, mentoring, and fostering a sense of organizational culture. Building relationships and teams in a remote work environment requires innovative strategies to foster collaboration, communication, and a sense of community among remote workers. Remote work offers several benefits for individual workers. Firstly, it provides increased flexibility in work arrangements. Remote workers have the freedom to work for geographically diverse organizations and often have more control over their work schedules. This flexibility allows them to manage personal responsibilities, such as caregiving or pursuing non-work-related activities. Remote work also reduces commuting time and costs, as employees no longer have to travel to a central office location. This time and cost savings contribute to a better work-life balance and increased job satisfaction. However, remote work also presents challenges for workers. The lack of physical separation between work and personal spaces can lead to longer working hours, difficulty in disengaging from work, and increased fatigue. Remote workers may find it challenging to establish boundaries and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Moreover, the absence of informal interactions, feedback, and collaboration opportunities can contribute to feelings of isolation and increased stress. Remote workers may miss out on the support networks and social connections that office-based environments provide. Additionally, working in non-ergonomic environments, such as inadequate lighting, seating, heating, or ventilation, can negatively impact health and well-being. It is essential for remote workers to prioritize creating a conducive and healthy workspace to mitigate these challenges. In conclusion, remote work offers various opportunities and challenges for individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. Understanding the key concepts, different ways of working remotely, and the benefits and challenges associated with remote work is crucial for effectively embracing this evolving work model. By addressing the challenges and leveraging the benefits, we can unlock the full potential of remote work and create a more flexible and inclusive future of work. Thank you.